Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to be sharing with you the 6 mind-blowing tech gadgets in 2023. Number 1. Fifish V6 Underwater Drone. The Fifish V6 is a high-end underwater drone designed for professional use in underwater exploration, filmmaking, and research. It is produced by the Chinese company QYSA Technology Company, Ltd. The Fifish V6 features a compact and streamlined design, with 6 thrusters that provide powerful and precise movement in all directions. It has a maximum depth rating of 100 meters, 328 feet, and can be operated via a remote controller or a mobile app. The drone is equipped with a 4K UHD camera that can capture high-quality video and photos underwater, even in low-light conditions. It also has advanced imaging features such as color correction and HDR to enhance the quality of the footage. Number 2. Corsair Xenion Flex 45W QHD 240 Gaming Monitor. The Corsair Xenion Flex 45W QHD 240 gaming monitor is a high-performance gaming monitor that boasts a 45-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 240 Hz. This combination of size, resolution, and refresh rate makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want an immersive and smooth gaming experience. In addition to its impressive display specifications, the Corsair Xenion Flex 45W QHD 240 gaming monitor also features AMD FreeSync 2 technology, which helps to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. It also has a 1 millisecond response time, which means that the monitor can keep up with even the most fast-paced games. The monitor also features a flexible stand that allows you to adjust the height and angle of the display to your liking. Number 3. Anker Nebula Capsule Smart Wi-Fi Mini Projector. The Anker Nebula Capsule is a smart Wi-Fi mini projector designed for use in a variety of settings, including home entertainment, education, and business presentations. Here are some key features of this device. The Anker Nebula Capsule is a compact device that's easy to carry around, making it ideal for travel and outdoor use. Despite its small size, the Nebula capsule can project images up to 100 inches in size, with a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels. This makes it suitable for watching movies, playing games, and presenting slideshows. The Nebula capsule runs on Android 7.1, which means it has access to a wide range of apps and streaming services. You can use it to watch videos on YouTube or Netflix, play games, and even browse the web. Number 4. LG Display's OLED Media Chair. The OLED Media Chair is a concept product developed by LG Display, a subsidiary of LG Corporation that specializes in manufacturing display technologies. The chair is designed to provide an immersive entertainment experience by incorporating OLED display panels into the chair's headrest and armrests. The chair features a 55-inch OLED display panel on the headrest and two 40-inch OLED display panels on the armrests. The panels are flexible and can be curved to provide a more immersive viewing experience. The chair also includes built-in speakers and haptic feedback technology, which vibrates the chair to provide a more realistic and immersive experience. Number 5. FlowSpace Work Pod. FlowSpace Work Pod is a type of portable and modular workspace designed for remote workers, freelancers, and small businesses. It's essentially a small, self-contained workspace that can be installed on a property, allowing users to work from a quiet and private space outside of their home. The FlowSpace Work Pod is designed to be eco-friendly and sustainable, using materials such as recycled steel and natural wood finishes. The pods are also designed to be energy efficient, with features such as LED lighting, insulation, and heating and cooling systems that minimize energy consumption. Number 6. BMW Electrified Wingsuit. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit is a prototype suit designed to enhance the performance of a wingsuit flyer by providing an electric boost. The suit was developed as part of a collaboration between BMW and professional wingsuit flyer, Peter Salzman. The suit features 2 carbon propellers, each powered by a small electric motor and a battery pack, mounted on the back of the suit. The propellers are designed to assist the flyer in achieving a faster and more controlled descent. The suit also includes a custom-built helmet with an integrated heads-up display, HUD, that displays the speed and altitude of the flyer. That concludes the countdown of our list of the 6 mind-blowing tech gadgets in 2023. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos, and thanks for watching. Until next time, safe travels.